Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video might be a bit long because for one, I'm not really feeling well. I'm supposed to be at work right now, but I don't feel well, so I'm at home. And then two, what we're doing today is I'm packing my hospital bag and basin. I don't know if other countries, expect you to have a basin as well, but Jamaica does. So I'm gonna show you guys what goes in to the hospital bag and the basin. So we're gonna start off with the basin. As you guys can see, it's very packed, but I'm gonna go through all of the items, just so if you're a first time mom like me, you know what to put in. And I recommend packing your bag, or my friends recommend packing your hospital bag from your 7 months, so that you're prepared, because a baby can come at any time, to be honest. So the first item that you're going to need in your basin, this is what you take into the delivery room, is some diapers. So these are newborn diapers. I was told to get 4, so I got 4 newborn diapers. And this is the Huggies brand. That's all I can say. It's diapers and it's Huggies. So you're gonna need 4 newborn diapers, and then you're going to need 6 maternity pads. So these are not the regular sanitary napkins. These are the really, really long ones. Super long. And this brand that I'm actually using is called Nice Care. Never heard of them before, but it's maternity pads. And yeah, so I got 6 of those. You're going to need tissue, and you're gonna need receivers. They recommended 3 receivers, so I have my 3 receivers here. Also guys, you want to make sure that your stuff are washed before you bring them. You're going to need 1 baby hat. This is just to bring in the delivery room. This is not even your hospital bag yet. You're going to need 4 rags for the baby and 1 rag for yourself. So I have 4 rags for him or her. If you're wondering why I'm saying him or her, that means you haven't watched my last video. You need to, because based on the way that the baby has been moving, cliche opinion, but I feel like it's a boy, but we're gonna confirm that tomorrow. But anyways, so you need 4 rags. I have green and white because unisex, and then you are going to need 1 monkey suit. I have mine here. And you're going to need 1 pin under. That's the ones that you pin down at the bottom. So yeah, you're gonna need 1 of that. You're going to need 1 pair of socks. I think red is as unisex as socks get. You're gonna need 1 underwear for yourself. I don't need to show you guys my underwear, but you want to make sure that it's nothing tight, it's big and loose, because you're going to be experiencing a lot of bleeding, hence the reason why the sanitary napkins are so big and long, because you're going to experience a lot of bleeding. And you need big comfy underwear. You don't need nothing tight and see-through and sexy. No. You're going to need a nightgown. I have mine here. You're going to need salve and olive oil, or any agent that they use to clean the baby at your hospital. But you're going to need salve and you're going to need the olive oil. You're going to need 3 Inco pads. I just learned about these, so I'm not really 100% sure how to explain it, but it's basically also for absorption. So like, when you have the baby and you're bleeding and all this fluid, This is supposed to, I think it's supposed to go on the bed to kind of help with all of that. So that's basically it as far as I can remember, and as far as my list goes for the stuff that you're gonna need for the delivery room. And obviously you're gonna need the basin, because I think that's what they're gonna use to clean the baby. And one of the receivers, I was also told that they use that to clean off the baby, because remember when the baby is born, it's gonna have all this white and brown stuff, and there's gonna be blood. I don't need to get into all of that because I'm not trying to gross you guys out, but that's what goes into the basin. Now we're gonna move on to the actual bag. So we're gonna start off with something that's obvious. We need sheets and pillowcases. This is two different sets, because the last time I was in the hospital I only took one sheet set, and I just feel like it's better to have two. So that's the first thing that we have here. So the pillowcases, you need the pillowcase. Well, you only need one pillowcase and your sheets. So I have two here, and that's the first thing that I put in my bag. And if you have sheets and pillowcases, then obviously you'll need to have a pillow. The hospital that I went to didn't provide pillows, and I don't think most hospitals do, so definitely need to have your pillow, or else you're just gonna have one flat bed and it's gonna be really uncomfortable. So remember to bring your pillow. Most of the things that we're gonna be packing, we're gonna pack them in fours. So after the sheets, I have 4 receivers for the baby. I'm packing as I go along. So I have 4 receivers. You're going to need 4 pin unders. You guys might recognize some of them from the unboxing video, well, the haul video that I did a couple months ago. We're also gonna use 4 monkey suits. We're gonna need towels. So I have 2 towels. We have 12 rags for the baby. We also need 2 wash rags. Well, I'm gonna need 2 wash rags for myself. We're gonna need bed slippers and bathroom slippers. Reason you need these is, I mean, when you actually go to shower, nobody wants to pick up anything that the person before has showered off. So when I'm showering at the hospital, I shower in these. It kind of feel weird and you need to adapt to it, but it's safer and you get used to it. It's comfortable. We're gonna need 4 hats for the baby and 4 pairs of socks. You're gonna need baby wipes and baby blankets. I'm only taking 1 baby blanket. Then for the mother, we're gonna need nightgowns. So I have 4. As I told you guys, we're gonna pack a lot of stuff in 4s. So I have 4 nightgowns. There's a pajama pants in here somewhere. So I have 3 nightgowns and a three nightgowns and a pajama set. So out of the stuff for the delivery room, we packed maternity pads and newborn diapers. You're gonna need the half pack of newborn diapers. Well, you're gonna need half pack of newborn diapers, and you're gonna need some maternity pads as well. It's recommended half of this and a full pack for the maternity pads, but I'm just gonna be using what's left from the maternity pads. I'm not gonna get a whole new pack for that. We're also gonna need underwear. 10. Yeah, I have 10 in this. You're gonna need and you're gonna need big underwears, because after giving birth nobody know why I'm not tight. So you're gonna need big underwears. You're gonna need toothbrush and toothpaste. You're gonna need your soap, of course. I mean, the hospital does provide soap. I'm not sure about toothpaste, but the hospital, I saw soap there, but nobody not really want to use soap when you know who used it before, what kind of skin conditions they have. Especially with me, I have sensitive skin, so I have to bring my own soap. You're also gonna need some white alcohol. You're gonna need cotton buds and I think cotton swabs. I'm not sure if you're supposed to have both, but I do, so hey, I'm packing it. you're going to need brush and comb for the baby, cause I don't know. I'm just excited to comb the baby's hair. And I'm happy that this is one of the noisy ones. You're gonna need baby powder, and no, this isn't the baby powder that I eat, but it smells good too. But I'm not gonna eat this. I'm not gonna eat this one. This one is not mine. For when you're going home, you're gonna need lotion and body mist. I'm just gonna take the baby's lotion because baby lotion smell nice. So I'm just gonna take the baby's lotion. I'm not going to bring any extra ones. And lastly, you're gonna need something to wear home. So I just have some loose, it's not sweatpants, it's not joggers, but it's just, I don't know, I got it from African Mall, but it's just some very loose clothing. The top is super huge. So this is what I plan to wear home. I know that's something that's easy to forget because you're planning for the birth and all of that, but chances are you're going to forget that, hey, you have to go home. A lot of persons do like going home outfit for the baby. I'm not really doing that. I mean, you can just go home in one of the sleepers or in one of the pin unders. If I change my mind, I do have stuff that I could probably put the baby in, but apart from that, nah, I'm not gonna do a baby going home outfit. So that's basically it for this video, guys. That's what I packed for the delivery room and for my hospital bag. Really hope that you learned something, and if you're a first-time mom, that it really helps with you packing your hospital bag as well. It's kind of crazy when everything is washed and you see this pile of stuff and you're not sure what to take, and then you don't want to take everything to the hospital because you're not going to use everything. So I really hope that this video was able to help you guys, and I'm so thankful for my friends that are nurses that made this easy for me. I just had the list and I just had to follow the list. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you guys, as I said, learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.